The Ryzen 5 7600X bundle offers a powerful 6-core, 12-thread processor that can reach a maximum boost of 5.3 GHz, making it ideal for high-performance gaming. This bundle includes an ASUS-650E Max Gaming Wi-Fi ATX motherboard, which supports the latest DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0 for advanced connectivity options. Gamers will appreciate the integrated AMD Radeon graphics, providing an excellent foundation for those looking to build a robust gaming setup. The motherboard's enhanced power solution, featuring an 8+2+1 phase power design, ensures stable and efficient energy delivery. Comprehensive cooling solutions are built into the motherboard, including VRM and M.2 heatsinks, which help maintain optimal performance under heavy loads. With its DIY-friendly design, including features like a pre-mounted I/O shield and ASUS-exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting, this bundle is perfect for custom PC builders.